Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I want to introduce you to the charging port that has completely changed my life. I love this charging port. It charges everything that I need it to. I've got my Apple Watch there, my cell phone, and earbuds, and it charges all of them with one simple stand. It comes complete with the stand and a charging port to plug into the wall, and then you put your items on it and it is ready to go. This works with a variety of different Apple products, different Apple phones, different watches, and iPods, and it charges all of them very well. I have tried out several. I have a family of 4. We all have different series of Apple products, and it has charged all of them very well. I love that it has the green light at the bottom so that you know exactly what you're charging. It lights up A, B, or C depending on what you put on there. And I even tried a cheapo pair of EarPods on there, and they worked also, so that is fantastic. It's not even an Apple product. So I love this charging port. It's taken all the wires that I had plugged in my charging station and conveniently put them all on one little stand. It works great, it charges fast, and I couldn't ask for anything more than this.
And that's my point of view.